We're going to eat, so might as well do some Ilocano phrases, Mama. Oh, thank you. First one, mabisina kon. Mabisina kon. Mabisina kon, Mama.
Natin doon.
Manganta yun. Manganta yun. Let's eat.
Tinapay.
Let's eat. Mudra got some free food. Naimas. Naimas. Masarap. And if you wanna intensify and say, it's so good, or ang sarap sa Tagalog. Nagimas. Nagimas. And if someone invited you to come and eat, mangantan or mangantayon, and you wanna say, oh, thank you, I'm not hungry yet. Agyamanak, haanak pay nga mabisin. Agyamanak, haanak pay nga babisin. Haanak pay nga babisin. And just in case you wanna say, thank you, I'll eat later. Agyamanak, damdamalaengen. Agyamanak, damdamalaengen. Laengen. Eat more. Eat more. Mangan kapay. Mangan kapay. Naimas niya. Mangan kapay. Mangan kapay.
Manganak pa eh.
And if you wanna offer more rice or more sida, mangala ka pa iti, for example, you wanna say sa Tagalog ay, kumuha ka pa ng ulam or get more dish. Mangala ka pa iti sida. Mangala ka pa iti sida sa Tagalog. Kumuha ka pa ng ulam, or if you wanna say get more rice. Mangala ka pa iti inapoy. Mangala ka pa iti inapoy. In Tagalog, kumuha ka pa ng kanin. And if you wanna say, the food is so good. The food is so good. Or, the dish, or the ulam, or the sida is so good. Nagimas ti sidayo. Nagimas ti sidayo. Nagimas ti sidayo.
Naimas nga road.
And, just a reminder that naimas means good, while nagimas or nagimas is intensify, that it means so
Very
good.
good.
Means, if Mama invited me to eat and I said, kalkalpas ko laang nga nangan, or agyamanak, ngem kalkalpas ko laang nga nangan, that means thank you, but I just ate. If, for example, you're visiting a friend or you're into someone else's house and it's mealtime and they invited you to come and join them, and you wanna say, and you wanna say, thank you, go ahead, I'm not hungry yet. Agyamanak, sige laeng, haanak pay nga mabisin. Agyamanak, sige laeng, haanak pay nga mabisin. Thank you, go ahead, I'm not hungry yet. Or in Tagalog, salamat, sige lang, hindi pa ako nagugutom. Or maybe you wanna say, thank you, go ahead, I just ate. Agyamanak, sige laeng, kalkalpas ko laeng nga nangan. Kalkalpas ko laeng nga nangan. Mangan kalatta. Well, if you're talking to just one person, mangan kalatta in Tagalog is kain ka lang. But if you're talking to the family or more than 2 person and you wanna say, go ahead, thank you, just eat. Sige latta. Agyamanak, mangan kayo latta. Sige lang, salamat, kumain lang kayo. We're finished eating, right Mudra? We're done eating, you're still eating, but let's pretend we're done eating. Nalpas kami nga nanganon. Nalpas kami nga nanganon. Tapos na kaming kumain. We're already done eating. What did you say?
Tapos ka na?
Nalpasakon?
Well,
Nalpasakon. Nagimas. Agyamanak. I think this is the last one. If, just in case you're still eating, you're not done yet, and someone wants you to do something, and you wanna say, I'm still eating. Mangmanganak pay. Mangmanganak pay. In Tagalog, kumakain pa ako. That's all. That's all for our Ilocano phrases.
mangan tayo.
Sige laeng, haanak pay nga mabisin. Inya ti si Dam,
Tortang talong.
ken
Kun teriyaki. Spam.
nagimas met ti si Dam.
Ha?
Inya ti kunan,
Mangangkan ko na.
agyamanak, sige laeng, mangan kalatta.
Kape at pailaang.
What's that? Magkakapi pa ako?
Magkakape lang muna ako.
There you go. Agkapi akpay laeng. I'm just a little confused, Mama. Is it pay pa in Tagalog?
Kape at pailaang.
Agkapi akpay laeng. Ramanak daytoy kapim. Ramanak daytoy kapim. It's not my coffee. I think your coffee have chocolate. Cocoa. May gulay. It's not coffee, it's chocolate. That's what I get from not making my own coffee. Nalpas ka nga nanganan?
Ampay ni.
Mga anak matan. Mabisina kon ke. Mga anak kon. Kayat ko dayta si Dam. Dayta laeng. Nalpasen.